Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending DIY project ideas and react to them. So I'm just gonna guess right now that this first DIY is of a wall sconce. Now this is definitely a project for someone who likes to keep things glam within their home. Oh, and you know what? This project completely uses dollar store items, FYI. So this is a really cool project that you can try on the weekend when you're bored. Wow. Oh my goodness. That looks absolutely incredible. Very cool idea. Oh, and you can also use it as like a table tray. Double usage. All right, so then we move on to the next project. So we already saw what the end result for this one is. Who knew that these like decorative pieces were so easy to replicate and make yourself? Like that is just insane to me how he's able to make this. This is like such a cool like tribal inspired table decor piece. Wow. So cool. Very inspiring. He made it look so easy though. So then we move on to the next project. So we have like a wooden spoon here and a balloon. Okay, so she covered the spoon with that balloon there. Oh, wow. Oh, she put little plants in those. Oh, that is cool. Very nice. And I would have never known that those were balloons. That is crazy. Okay, so we have a DIY featuring some ties. Oh, this looks like a flower. Spray painted gold. Oh, it's a mirror. Wow. Oh, she did it in two different colors. Wow, that is really cool. And that seems like a simple project to try out too. Very nice. And then we have this vase DIY. So this one uses, oh, I was thinking that was cardboard. Okay, definitely not cardboard. I wonder if you could use cardboard though. It might be sturdy enough to try out. Wow. Very nice dupe design. That looks incredible. Very cool. Alright, so we got some wooden hangers here. Wait a minute, did they make this table with hangers? Whoa. So those are the leg pieces. Wow. That is pretty cool. So they just spray painted that. Wow. Very nice. Alright, you guys, I hope you did enjoy checking out all these project ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.